kapag may mga event. Ate, magkano dito, te, sa mga police, yung mga outfit? Nakasalo, pwede ka magpa-embroider dyan. Sa mga brides, para specific for you talaga, di ba? 1.5 daw. 999 Mall! Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff there at 999 Mall. At Tutuban Center na tayo, guys. Hello Katie's! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are on the way to Divisoria. Divisoria in 2025 finally. Where's the last time we visited Divisoria?
Long time.
Very long time. So we'll see if it's really sale. They say there's a sale today, so we will see. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to my members, which is Tony. Tony Anderson is the only member. I don't know if Jay is still a member. Is still a member?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm checking.
He don't pay at all. It's only. Anyway, let's hop into the video. We're waiting for the train. Oh. Taking on the train. LRT. Guys, this is until Dr. Santos na yan. We went to Dr. Santos last time. Jay vlogged that in the Black Filipino, so stay tuned with that. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda ng mga super laki ng mga ng mga station. Hindi kami bumaba sa Redemptorist. Pumunta kami sa NAIA. Bumaba kami sa MIA. I think it's coming soon. So 4:30 a.m. Monday to Friday. Weekends 5 a.m. Okay, there's a last train. What is going on? We're gonna go down over there. Way out here, Jay, way out here. Okay, now this is Doroteo Jose. From Bonnie, we go down to Doroteo Jose. We go down to TAF, and then Doroteo Jose. Oh, there's 7-Eleven here now. I said there's 7-Eleven here now. Before it doesn't have one. And because of that, we're riding. Look at Jay. He's the assistant of Kuya.
Yes. It's derecho.
Kasi Kuya is listening to you. Ayan, on the way to Tutuban. We look like here. Okay. After Doroteo Jose, so this is what we did, guys. We ride Bonnie. Naka-on ba yung microphone? The microphone is on. So we ride the Bonnie MRT, then we drop to TAF MRT. Pagkatapos ng TAF MRT, naglipat kami sa LRT, and then Doroteo Jose, then Doroteo Jose, Kuya is next. 20 pesos. Mas maganda kasi magsakay dito kasi hindi na naghihintay ng passenger, tapos madali ka ma-aksidente. Joke lang. Ayan. Open air. Mas open air. Madali makababa pala yun. Malapit na tayo sa Tutuban na. Nakikita ko ng Tutuban. Oh my gosh, it's too close. Ayan na yung Tutuban, no? Nakikita nyo ba, guys? The last time we visit Divisoria is parang 2023 pa. Parang hindi ako bumalik dito ng 2024 eh. Ayan. So, hindi, I didn't visit here kasi nagtatravel kami. Ayan. Conductor, how do you feel?
Good.
You getting a lot of body today?
I'm getting the heat from the sun. This is good.
That's vitamin S.
D.
No, it's vitamin sun. At pag na-hold up ang ating camera, patay na. Mas Dutch ang camera natin. Okay, we're moving! Let's go, kuya! Be careful, you're too close. Hello! 999 Mall! Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff there, 999 Mall. Nandun tayo, Tutuban Center na tayo guys. Sili tayo ng mga gown dito. Ayan, dito lang kami kuya sa babaan lang. Okay, sige po. Open pa ang Tutuban bago mag-close. Saan pwede dito? Pwede na? Be careful. Baby, look at left ha. Look on your left side. Thank you, kuya. What do you
I feel good. I got some sun.
I know.
Back to reality.
Okay. I will ask them. I don't know if it's here or on the other side. Let's just go in here.
Made
Okay.
an adventure today. I'm outside early. I don't care about the videos. I'm actually happy to get a break from that.
It's Sunday. We should do that every Sunday.
We should do it every day, actually. 'Cause we can
Only
always
thing,
get the videos
oh,
in.
yeah. Only thing you need to find a video. You need to find a video before you
I
sleep.
got to work earlier too.
May size yan, te?
Meron.
1.5 daw.
Oh,
Okay po sa inyo. Para sa inyo, sir.
okay.
Sabi dati, I'm not joking. Be serious here. Okay.
I can fit on my tank tops now, the old ones.
So guys, ito tayo sa Tutuban Mall. O diba, mag-gown ka agad. Yan yung mga gusto nyo gown, pang wedding gown. Ay, mga ano pala to, yung pangkasal. Ate, magkano mga ano nyo? Te, magkano mga ganito nyo, te? Ano yan, parang pwede sa mga, yun din sa mga kinakasal, diba? Yung mga bridesmaid. 300. Ano yan, pag madami binili? Pag, how many pieces? 3 pieces and up? 6 pieces. Saan? Yung pala bibili. Depende sa design, kuya. O, yun lang yung price. 300 po. Lahat ng design. Any color. Okay. Robe pala. Robe at all. Anong stall number nyo?
KS06.
KS06. Ano, second floor to, no?
First floor.
First floor, KS06. Okay. KS06, guys. Ayun pala, Facebook dito. They have Facebook. J-Mix Embroidery. Free name all items pala. Ayan o. KS07, may phone number sila. Huwag niyo ako i-message ha. Hindi ako nagbibenta. Ako i-message. Magkano? Ako ino-orderan. Guys, we're just vlogging, okay? Don't message me. Check your Facebook nila. Ayan. Yung Facebook mo yan? J-Mix Embroidery. Check nyo guys, yung mga ikakasal, oh. This year is the best time to get married. Ayan, mura-mura.
This right here to wash my back.
Ano kaya?
All items free name
This right here to
okay.
wash my back. I
Okay.
need to wash my back.
Dapat palagyan mo ng name so I will know if it's yours. I'm joking. Is that there's a bigger size?
Bigger, yeah, they do.
May mahaba ka? Ayun. Ayun, magkano to? 50. Okay, buy me one.
You want one?
Yeah. Because mine will gonna be bad soon. What color do you have?
I got all kinds of colors.
No, ayun na, the same color, right? Eh, baguhin ko.
Yeah, whatever.
No, kasi masyadong parehas sa kanyang kulay. Ayun, medyo bet ko to. No, the same with your color.
I got different colors. I got
Pink
this
na lang
here.
ang sa akin. Ayoko kasi ng pink, pero pink na lang para. Ay, ito.
You want pink?
Same daw,
Get
same.
that one.
Okay na to? 50 pesos. Ay! Sorry po, sorry. Talaga. So mga ikakasalo, pwede ka magpa-embroider dyan. Sa mga brides, para specific for you talaga, di ba? Visit nyo guys sila ha. O yan, thank you. Mga ano sila, robe. Dito. Alright, he said, go straight and turn left. Ayan mga pang summer, kasi ang init, pang sa ating mga mamshi. 400 Titas of Manila. Chinese. Mga outfit pala to. Ah, kapag may mga event. Ate, magkano dito, te? Sa mga police, yung mga outfit?
Depende po sa size.
Ah,
80, may 350. Kanya-kanya po sila.
380.
May
350.
350.
Event sa school, no? Ah, okay. Anong stall number nito, te?
RS10 po.
RS10. Mga pangbata, pang seaman, pang police, pang scrub. Lahat kayo meron. May FB page kayo, te? Dito lang daw. Dito ng costume. Ay, meron din silang let it go. Oh. Ano, te? Ay, doon sa loob. Marami silang costumes dito. Oh my gosh. Puntahan nyo na lang, guys. Alright. Dito na lang ako. Let's go now. Ate, saan yung outlet dito ng Nike? Nike outlet. Diretso pa, okay.
Yes po,
Ay, may mga gown din. Sa mga, look, gowns. Let's go to ano first, right? Let's go to the outlet first. Alright. I got excited right away. Is this the right way? I think it's over there is the right way. Ate, saan yung Nike outlet? Yung Park outlet. Ah, sige. Thank you. Okay. Ang dami, guys. Oh my gosh. I got excited to vlog. Look at that. Mga pang OOTD, pang ano tawag dito? No, that's not. That's for pop star. For pay toilet. Oh, kung gusto mag-toilet. Ang dami pang kids dito. Maybe mga polo, oh. Ay, pants pala, pants. Ay, kuya, saan yung park outlet? Yung Nike, ano ba ga? Nike. Ay, saan kami dadaan?
Sabay po kayo dito, ma'am.
Okay.
Tapos makita niyo yung unang exit yan. Masusutot niyo.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Okay, I know, kuya, know it. Kasi screening here. Okay, this is for men. Ang ganda sa tutuban kasi may pang lalaki, pang bata, pang babae, lahat na. Ha? Yeah. Like you can carry for laptop, mga polos. I need to go to the main station. That's the one it says there, main station. Yeah, main station is the left side. The good thing about Tutuban is when you go shopping here, it's not hot. So, might as well just go here if the main station, ayun, over there. Ay, may mga tela-tela din pala dito, oh. Wholesale everything. Anong tela nito? Just gonna, magkano dito? Ay, wholesale everything, Boston Trading. Mga tela, binibenta nila. Anyway, let's go. You wanna go here? Ah, okay. Ano to? Anong location? Ano to? Oh, pack and save. Oh. There's a lot of stuff. Different name, pack and save. Pick pala, pick. Pick and save. Okay. There's a lot of stuff here in Tutuban. Tutuban Mall. Oh my gosh. Oh, another pick and save again. Ayun, yun na yung outlet. Over there, you see that? Pick and save. Yeah, I know. This is not gonna be Jay's vlog because you guys doesn't watch. Factory outlet store. Okay. Factory outlet store. Park outlet. Yan. The park outlet. They have also location in Green Hills. So we will see. Is it big? Is there shoes left here? Okay. Park outlet. Saan mga shoes, kuya? Sale kayo, di ba? 70% off. Ayan, silipin natin. Okay, so kanya-kanyang visit the location. Yung mga bet nyo. Uy, kano to? This is nice, look. This is, how much is this? From 5495, it's only 3846. Yun. Added pa yung ano siya, no?
Yes.
Okay. Iba-ibang kulay ng Nike. So the price is the same, eh? This one is cheaper. From 5495 to 747. Yung mga mahilig sa patingin. This is something you like?
Yeah, make Jordans. This is fake, Kuya.
No, sir.
This is fake.
From 3995 to
Good price.
796.
I know it's not the old school Jordans, but it's still
Russell Westbrook.
yeah, it's not the Russell Westbrook, yeah. I may get these.
Dinala
though.
ko siya dito, kuya, kasi I know this is the last day of the sale.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy something. Probably 2 things.
Yeah, we'll see. This is women, baby.
Oh, see? Can you?
Sa inyo, let's go to the men's first because you're the one who wanna buy anyway today.
Lifestyle, training, running.
For like running and walking for the gym.
Okay. I walk a lot. Yeah.
So let's go to the men's section, guys.
I walk about.
Park Outlet. Di ba, kuya, may location kayo sa Green Hills din?
Apo,
Okay.
for running, sir.
Oh, this is nice for men. From 6395 to 3447. Okay, so
This,
that's
ano,
the
ma'am?
same. Pero yung sale na to,
Ito po yung ano yun po, after discount.
okay. Pero after ano po, after discount, I mean, after today, same pa rin ba yung price? or?
Yes ma'am, same pa rin po.
Okay.
Bali ito ngayon ma'am, ito na po yung pinaka-markdown niya po.
Okay,
Bali,
but by
yung
tomorrow.
program namin today ma'am, kapag naka-accumulate po kayo ng 10,000, additional 10% sa total bill.
Okay. Alright. So we're just gonna look around, guys. This is 7895 to 5526 na lang siya. So yun yung promo pala nila. Oh. You find something?
She's looking.
Okay. They go to the women's section, that's why it's cheap. Nike or Adidas? This one is 4917 from 8395. For men, ha? For men. Tingin tayo sa mga, ano, ang init lang dito. Wala silang aircon. I bring you to the, to size 10 location. Oh, Jay, wanna get taller.
No. It's probably same.
That's for the old people, Jay. You like that?
It's probably it's casual. That's why I like it.
Okay. Can you walk that?
Yeah.
I don't like that one, but it's up to you. This is an old style. Force. This is the Force. This is 4995. 3496 na lang siya.
I don't like this. It looks
Yeah, I don't like
like
that too.
yellow too.
Yeah, I know. Don't get that. Get black, baby.
That's too much. How much is that?
I don't know. Still price.
Oh, it's too bright.
Yeah, I know. How about this one?
Could be garbage in.
This is 3797, babe. Look.
It's not bad.
Yeah, 3797 from
I like it. These
7595.
Yeah, these ones.
What do you like with the heels? Does you want to get tall?
No, it's not. It's
Oh, it
not
looks
taller.
good. I like this one. I like this one, the white one.
It's not taller.
How much is this?
It's 3197.
You can use that to church too.
Nah, I wouldn't bet it's straight.
No, because it's shiny. It's a leather. You think you can walk with that?
Same as my sneakers I got on now.
Ah,
Make it taller.
Jay wanna get taller than me.
Hey,
I wanna buy a heel sneaker today.
if I wanted to get taller, I would get the shoes that make it taller, like 5
Yeah.
inches taller. You got shoes like that.
That one is nice though. It's like almost the same the one you're wearing. The one you're wearing is Nike too.
Yeah.
It's an old
It's
Nike,
not bad,
guys.
man. I like
Yeah.
this.
How about when you walk, it doesn't pain?
No, it doesn't pain.
Are you sure? You just say that
positive.
now and then later.
No, I know it's a Nike too, babe.
Oh, there's black. Oh, this is the one you had before.
That's 662. I'm gonna get this one here.
This one is nice, but this one get bad so fast. The one this side. 9.5 for this.
That's not bad too.
It's like different, right? It's a little bit more
It's
badui.
like Malcolm X thinking, fight the power.
This one, I like this one. It's like this is for really walking, babe. Look, only think this one is gonna break fast. Remember you have like this?
Yeah, that one too. I like that. A
This
lot.
is
That's for running.
6226 from 8895.
The one at the bottom is for running.
This one. Zoom X. This one is nice too. Zoom. That's the one you have, right? Zoom X.
I think I had Zoom. Well, yeah, I did have that before.
This is nice. This one is 6226 from 8895. Mahal naman masyado yan. How about this one? This one has no price eh. I need to open it to see the shoes. Let's go to the other location. 4197. This one is nice too, but this is not for walking. 4197. So, let's see ano yung mabibili ni Jay for today. Guys, kung nag-English ako, wag niyo ano yun ah. Oh, she's speaking English. She's from the Philippines. Walang price to, but this is nice. Oh. Anong tawag dito? Ganda ng spike. ACG Air Explorer. An ACG Explorer. Okay. Ang ganda naman ito. Oh my gosh. This is very nice. 3947 from 729.